And well, with below par rainfall in many regions, water storage is being a lot of importance. But what if the storage facility itself needs urgent attention?
The RDS Dam is constructed on the Tungabhadra River at Raichur. The dam facilitates many Karnataka-Andhra interstate irrigation projects. But now all is not well with the dam.
RDS ಜಲಾಶಯವು ಬಿರುಕು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಡೆಯುವ ಅಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. RDS ಜಲಾಶಯ ಒಡೆಯುವುದರಿಂದ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಜೀವಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾನಿಯಾಗುವ ಸಂಭವವಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದ ದಿವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ರೈತರ ಜೀವ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಹಾನಿಯಾಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಜರುಗಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ವಿನಂತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
The dam helps irrigate 75,000 acres of land in Andhra and 6,000 acres in Karnataka. The dam was built in 1950 and is in a dilapidated state now. Andhra Pradesh granted 3.3 crore rupees for the maintenance in 2008, but nothing has been done till date. The contract to fill up the cracks was given to a Gulbarga-based contractor, but he did not undertake any repair works until this year. It is not just the crack that is causing trouble in the region. Whenever the repair work is taken up, farmers of the region forcefully stop the work, asking for final decision on water sharing. They say they will not let the work continue until a decision in this regard is taken. But the irrigation department authorities have instructed the contractors to continue the repair work under police protection. Despite this, the contractor has not taken up the work.
The RDS canal, RDS dam, ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಈಗ ನದಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಆ ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಅನಾಹುತ ಐತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಅದು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.
Taking note of the grave situation, the engineers are now eager to repair the dam at the earliest. They fear that further delay could result in a disaster. It has been decided that the contract of the RDS dam will be cancelled. Contractors from Gulbarga have not completed their work. This has resulted in a loss of rupees 3 crore to the government. However, this amount will be recovered from the contractors. New fresh tenders will be invited for the work. At a time when there is acute shortage of water, the government should take steps and ensure that the dam is repaired at the earliest, and also a settlement and water sharing is reached as soon as possible. Sidhu Biradar, News 9, Raichur.